Hey guys, I'm just going to try to show you scratch and find how to do this on SeeSaw. Right now this is my main page. You can pause this and look at what I've done, but let's get started. First you go to add template, click on drawing, then you tap on the text box, you write the words, change the font. Now you can click on those three dots underneath and then you can hit duplicate to just make it easier, or you can go back and click text and do it one at a time. Those three little dots, there's a bunch of things that you can do while you're under that. You can change the font, you can duplicate, you can bring it forward. I could show you that in another video. And also when you're in the box you can change the color. So I just did 4, simple, and then you go back and you lock all these in place so that the kids don't click and erase or delete. Then you go back and you click on the marker, make it as thick as possible, and then you just start making your little pictures on top of the words. I don't know why my iPad's doing that, but I just did it really simple. Kids don't care. And then I go back and make little eyes. Go back, change it. And the way to change the thickness is you just tap it on the marker and it'll give you a choice. Then you save this and then you go back and you can do all your instructions. But I just want to show you real quick what the kids will see when they do is they tap on the template and then they take the eraser and they start erasing the fish. And that's how you do scratch and find. Thanks.